Understanding in a flat voice, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, in a flat voice. This expression can be quite useful in understanding the subtleties of spoken English. Let's dive in and learn what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. In a flat voice refers to speaking in a tone that is monotonous and unemotional. It's when the voice lacks variation in pitch or intensity. Typically, this kind of speech doesn't express any strong feelings or enthusiasm. It's often used to convey indifference, boredom, or sometimes sarcasm. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. He replied in a flat voice, showing no reaction to the exciting news. 2. Here, the speaker's enthusiastic tone contrasts with what you'd expect in a situation involving exciting news. 3. She said, "I'm fine," in a flat voice, but I could tell she was upset. 4. This demonstrates how a flat voice can indicate that someone is hiding their true emotions. Understanding the phrase, in a flat voice, is important for a few reasons. Cultural nuances. It helps you pick up on subtle emotional cues in English-speaking cultures. Improving listening skills. Recognizing such expressions can enhance your ability to understand spoken English. Expressive speaking. Knowing this phrase allows you to describe someone's tone of voice accurately. When you want to describe someone's speaking manner as lacking emotion or enthusiasm, you can use this phrase. For example, when asked about his day, he responded in a flat voice. This can add depth to your storytelling or descriptions in English. And that's all about, in a flat voice. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about how they are spoken. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.